Hello everybody, I am engineer from tools. I working over 45 years already, and just now I found that here in China a good factory make very good punching, stamping for the tools.
Depending on unique technology and progressive equipment, Hengtongxing Technology Limited Company nowadays has already become an excellent manufacturer of punches in the world with experience of over 8,000 multiple category customization. We have our own factory in Shenzhen, China. We introduced world-class production equipment and technology from Japan successively. According to International Advanced Mode, our company has built a whole process ISO quality control management system. In 18 years, over 10 million punch pins have been provided for more than 1,000 enterprises.
同等材质，我们采用日本 XW8 烧热热气铝机器，韧性提升20%。
And the material, I can tell you, is a special material from Japan, and you can see how good and long life have this material.
Our manufacturing team consists of employees with over 10 years work experience on average, who are the elites of the business. Because of their extraordinary skills, we can always think from the perspective of customer side and devote ourselves to realize their ideas.
I suggest that you have to choose and to check by yourself, and you have to try, because the accuracy in these tools is the true move.
What's more, our quality inspection department strictly demands the quality of products reaching the standard. Equipped with 18 sets of special testing equipment, full CNC testing and 13 QC processes, we can ensure that the qualified rate of quality reaches 98%. We are willing to put ourselves in the customer's position to evaluate the pros and cons of the product. Additionally, we believe that every small service detail is a part of perfect quality.
即使一个布能，我们也有严格的标准，必须采用德国进口的羊毛含量达到98%的布能，这样抛出来的产品光洁度才能达到0.4到0.8之间。
And the quality you can see for the surface and for the accuracy is the best one.
Members of our team are proficient in every aspect of production and are familiar with the operation process of each department. Through regular professional training, their concept of production and processing is always maintained in the first-class technical field of this industry. We can respond to customers' requests in time and keep our promise eternally.
我们设有自己标准的报价系统，30秒急速响应，15分钟迅速报价，1对1订单跟进服务，加急件4小时内可出货。
In short, we have some leadership in the industry, but we never stop catching market trends. We have improved more than 50 kinds of process technology to perfect the standard system of industry, so as to promote the development of this business.
And I don't think you can find that so easy everywhere. A company can make these high precision tools. This company is the HTX here in China.
Hengtongxing, a professional supplier of punches and punch pins.